Make some chili oil. Be careful while opening the packet because it might get inside your nose. And you'll see this. Ta-da! So you put this all in a bowl. You can see it. So once you put that mixture in your bowl, you will put 2 cups of oil. What I like to do is I like to take out all the whole spices. Like you have this whole star anise. And that, like I said, it's totally optional. But I like to put this whole spices in the oil. So I've not put this in heat yet. Here I have 2 cups of oil and I've selected those whole spices from the chili oil mix and put it in the oil. Now I'm going to put it on a low heat, low medium heat. Okay, I'm going to heat this till it sizzles, and then we're going to put this back to the oil mix. So the oil is getting heated. At this time, if you have, or if you like Szechuan pepper, you can add it right now. If you have the whole peppercorn, you can add the whole peppercorn in the oil right now. And if you like the taste of sesame seeds, you could also add your sesame seeds in the mixture, not in the oil, in the mixture. I did not put sesame seeds because of the allergens, and peppercorn because I didn't know everybody would like the taste of peppercorn. But if you do, if you like the taste of peppercorn, please let me know. And if you want me to make one for you, I'll make one with the Szechuan peppercorn. When you put Szechuan peppercorn in the oil and let it shimmer with the oil and when it gets heated, it becomes really crunchy. So it doesn't have like it adds to the crunch, but it won't have that burning sensation, like a whole lot of burning sensation compared to the raw ones. So yeah, little tips. So our oil has been heating for about 10 minutes. And when it starts to heat, like the whole spices will sizzle a bit like that. So it looks like our oil is properly heated. It's gone way beyond 220. At this point, we'll turn the heat off. And we will take it out from the heat and we will wait for a couple of minutes. And we will wait for a couple of minutes so that, you know, we don't burn all the ingredients in here. This is not all right. So the oil has been sitting here for a couple of minutes. You can either dump the whole oil in the mixture. If you want, you can take the whole spices out. The choice is yours. I like to put them in just because, you know, I like to let them sit there and get more infused in the oil for the flavor. So I'm gonna put this in the oil, like the whole thing. Sorry, the mixture, the whole thing. Now stir, 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 and your chili oil is ready. Isn't that simple? So just let it cool down, let it come to the room temperature, and then jar it. Put it in the jar in a airtight container, and then put it in the fridge. And enjoy this with like about anything. We love it in our eggs, in our sandwiches, grilled cheese sandwiches, fried rice, stir fries, noodles, ramen, soups, you know, anything. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Now hopefully you will have no questions about the about the oil and the temperature. It's not a rocket science, so even if you make a mistake, I personally like a little bit of a burnt taste, but it's not going to make it like bitter or something unless you heat the oil like smoking hot. Do not heat the oil at a high temperature. I don't have time. Rush. I'll just put the flame high. No, don't do that. Otherwise, if you heat the oil in low medium heat, it should be fine. Okay. I hope you enjoyed the video again and making chili oil with me. Oh, and I forgot to add something. So when you make the chili oil, you will only be able to enjoy it the next day, like after 24 hours. The more you let it sit, the more the flavors will enhance. But if you taste it right now, it'll just taste oil. It'll be so so if you're planning on using it, tomorrow, make it today. Yeah, that's what I wanted to add. Bye, enjoy.